Key, the Kokomo Experience and You, the Yellowstone Field Experience, Summer 2018. A student speaks to the camera.
I love nature. I'm a biology major, so this is definitely something I'm going to be telling people about for a really long time.
Students hike in a single file line, ducking under trees on the trail. A scene of flowing water is shown. Students help each other cross the water. Leader Casey talks with students as they take notes. Students use a digital laser infrared thermometer to test the heat of a geyser. A student runs a test in the water. Students look at the test together. Scenery is shown of mountains. Students take a selfie together. A student takes notes in front of a stream. Steam rolling off water is shown. A geyser is shown. Another student talks to the camera.
Okay, so today was a really awesome day. It's probably my favorite so far. We saw a bunch of wolves and a bunch of wolf puppies today, and then we saw a grizzly and a fat chubby bear cub, which is what I really wanted to see.
A student spreads her arms in front of a beautiful mountain scene. Students check out various plants. Students listen to their professor teach. A student points out a scene to another student using binoculars. Two bison butt heads on a hill. A crystal blue pool of water is shown. A mud spring is shown. Lida Casey points out various things on a park sign to the students. Students walk down a wooden walkway. Two students check out a map regarding the park. Another student talks to the camera.
I feel like it was just much more of an accomplishment for me. If I, looking back 20 years from now, I'm like, why didn't I do that? So I'm here now, so I'm so glad I did it.
Steam rolling off water is shown. A faraway view of lots of people milling around the park is shown. Students are shown walking down a wooden path. A waterfall is shown. Students stand around chatting and looking at scenery. Students take turns looking into a telescope. Students look at and learn about things in the park. Produced by Andy Canada.
Can make an impact politically and environmentally through the decisions that we make each and every day.
Indiana University Kokomo. Fulfilling the promise. iuk.edu. A student holds a thermometer out at a hot spring and blows on it like a gun.
That's hot.